Hi guys, welcome to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie, and if you're new here, thank you so much for watching. As you can see from the title, I will be showing you guys my honest review of the Moon Prism blush palette from Lunar Beauty. I love that brand so much. They are so supportive, and I am so happy that I was able to get my hands on the blush palette because it was completely sold out on launch day. So I was so happy to get it, and I have been pushing off this review because of everything that's been happening. I was so completely unmotivated and uninspired to do anything makeup related for the past couple of weeks. It feels really nice to come back and play with makeup with you guys. So if you guys want to see how I'm going to use some of the Lunar Beauty products, just keep watching. Woof, it feels like forever since I was here. It feels awesome, but it feels so weird because I feel like I'm super like out of it, but hopefully throughout this video I will come back together and ow, just stab myself in the chin. This is super random, but I cut my hair by myself yesterday, and I'm sorry if it looks a little awkward. I'm actually gonna put on my little cat ears. Where did they go? I thought I lost these. I had bought these like last year, and I saw them at Ross, and they were so cute, and I just wanted to buy them because I like to have my hair out of my face, obviously, when I'm applying makeup. My face is hella busted, so since I want to review mostly Lunar Beauty products, I'm just gonna show you guys the products up close and go through them real quick because I don't want to really get into much detail about some of the products, and I'm gonna be using things that I normally use anyway. So if you want to see me talk more about other products, just check out some of my other videos. I am hella broke, so I'm using the same things because I haven't really bought anything besides this because I had to get it. Like, I love Manny. I love that brand. They're so supportive. Whenever I post something on their story, they always repost it, and I'm forever grateful because they're one of the only brands that actually like do that for me, and they are so amazing. I'm just gonna go through real quick the things that I'm gonna put on my face before we get to Lunar Beauty products. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it real quick because I always like to say this in my videos. If you have really dry skin like me, I always like to apply the moisturizer onto my eyelids because I feel like that helps a lot when I apply eyeshadows. I just wanted to give you guys that little tip real quick because it actually really helps me. Alright, so I've applied everything to my face so far except highlight and obviously blush. I'm so confused for that foundation that I used. I reviewed that video about like whenever it came out. I reviewed it. I'll leave the little card above me. I liked the foundation, but now it just like it looks so horrible on me. I wrote it out because I don't want to go back and change it or anything, but oh my god, I really don't like how it looks. And I don't know if it's because I haven't used it and it's been there for a couple months, but oh my god, it looks really bad. And I kid you not, I had to apply like 20 layers to get to this level. So yeah, definitely a no for me. I'm glad I can just like discard that product now, but everything else went perfectly. But I am ready to show you guys the blush palette, and here she is. She is so beautiful. If you can tell, like the actual lettering has like this holographic kind of vibe. The packaging is to die for, and then this is the back right here, and it has Manny's signature right here, which is so cute. Like, that's the one thing that I've noticed with Lunar Beauty. The packaging is A+. Like, it is so amazing. Everything that they come out with is, you can tell he like puts time and effort into the packaging, and even the box it comes in, it's so beautiful. I have the Moonspell palette and I haven't thrown away the little box it comes in because I just thought it was so beautiful and I could just display that somewhere. So this is what she looks like inside, which is absolutely gorgeous to say the least. It's just like moons orbiting this galaxy. I don't know, I'm really bad at this, but I'll show you. It's actually like lifted. I don't know if you can see, but the moon, it's like bumpy. It's actually lifted, which makes it so unique. I am shook how amazing this product looks, and these actually shimmer a little bit. It's so beautiful. And this is the back side, and it just changes with the lighting, which is beautiful. So I'm just gonna open it up and show it to you guys. This is the palette, the blush palette, the cheek palette, I'm sorry. And I am obsessed. I've already swatched them on myself, but I cannot wait to show you guys the colors and how they look on me. I'm not gonna try them all on my face, obviously, but I'm gonna swatch them for you so you guys can see if you have a similar skin tone to mine, see how it would look on your skin. I'm actually gonna use one color for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use one of his palettes as well, obviously, but I'm gonna use this color because I think it is such a beautiful color. I'm gonna use this color Spacey right here. It's such a beautiful pink. You can't really tell when it's on the pan, but if you just, you can see it's like a beautiful rosy pink color. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so off camera I went ahead and I put some of the Tarte concealer on my eyelids, and like I said, I'm gonna start off with this color right here, and I'm gonna use my favorite blending brush. It's by Alamar Cosmetics. I don't think it has a name or anything, but yeah, it's just this big fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna zoom you guys in real quick so you guys can see it better up close. Alright, so I'm completely obsessed with how that came out. For not being an eyeshadow, it applied so smoothly. It's kind of perfect when you use blushes as eyeshadow because they are buildable, so you won't like mess up if you put a lot at one time. They're so easy to blend because obviously they're meant for your face. When I looked at it on the palette, I saw it and I'm like, oh my god, that is way too dark for my face. I thought that was way too dark for my face. I always thought these two, the middle ones, would be more like my skin tone. But now that I put it on my eyes, I could definitely see myself putting that as an actual blush. So I always do this when I'm in doubt of something to use. I always ask you guys on Instagram to help me choose a palette that you want me to use, and I only have two of Manny's palettes. I have the Goddess palette and I have this baby. I have the Moonspell palette, which I cannot get over the packaging. It is so perfect and beautiful for Halloween. So I asked you guys to choose one of those two. Moonspell was the winner, obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think I want to deepen it up a little bit because I want to do like a halo look, and I think I'm gonna use Kiki right here, and I am going to use my Luxie 121 brush. Alright, not gonna lie, I was a little scared when I applied the brown color on top of the pink because I didn't want it to get like too muddy or anything, but I actually really like how it came out because I wanted it to be like a soft look for this video. Since I normally never do like really soft looks, I just wanted like a super cute soft look, and I think it came out so pretty. The eyeshadows are super blendable. Obviously, I love this palette so much, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and add some sparkly in the middle. I'm gonna use Phoebe, this one right here, and I'm going to add a glitter glue, the NYX glitter glue, so I can properly place it on my eyelid. I love this color so much. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's so reflective. Like when I move it, it's pink in the center and then it's like bluish purple, and it's, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love this color. So what I always like to do after I place the middle halo shadow color, I always like to grab that same brush that I used for the brown shadow, and I like to go back and just blend the brown color with the shimmery shadow, just so it just blends perfectly together on the edges. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm gonna go back into the Moonspell palette. I'm gonna use Kiki again and just put it on my lower lash line. With the same brush, I kind of want to go back to my Moon Prism blush palette and go back to using Spacey right here and blend it with the brown just to make it more, just to give it like a more pink effect. Hey guys, so I had to leave for a couple minutes. I know that you won't feel a difference because it'll be like seconds apart, but yeah, I'm back. I also noticed that this foundation just keeps getting worse and worse. Like, I'm so upset because I really liked it in the beginning of when I got it, but now it's just like, I'm done with it. I'm so done with this foundation. But anyways, I'm gonna move on to put on my lashes, and I'm gonna use these Paddington lashes in the style Monroe. Alright guys, so the moment you've all been waiting for. I am going to review and swatch all the colors of the Moon Prism blush palette, and I'm so excited because I've been needing blush so much, and I am so happy that Manny came out with this at the right time. I was like, ah, prayers answered. I am so happy. I've already swatched them on my own and I know they are amazing, but I will show you guys all the swatches and all the colors. I'm also going to be reading the description of the colors from their website, so I'm not mistaken on the finish and the color. The first color is going to be Pink Moon, which is the lightest shade. This shade is actually a pale pink in matte finish, so it's gonna apply matte to your face, and it's obviously more for a lighter skin tone, but it's still a beautiful soft pink, cotton candy pink color. The second color is called Twilight, and it's a bright coral orange in matte finish. So this one is such a beautiful orangey shade, and it fits all skin tones in my opinion. And if you like coral blushes, especially for the summer now, this would be such a perfect color. Okay, so the third one is Spacey, which I applied on my eyes earlier, and this one is a deep terracotta matte finish, so it's gonna apply matte on your face, and I think it's so beautiful for all skin tones, but definitely will work for more medium to dark skin tones, and it's such a gorgeous color. Okay, so the fourth one is a little bit different. This is a rose shimmery with gold reflex. It's definitely for you who like to have some shimmer on your blush. I actually don't mind this at all, so I definitely will be trying this out for myself too. So if you're into shimmery blushes, you can definitely wear this, and it's gonna look so pretty on you. Okay, so the fifth one is Stargaze, and this is a dusty rose, and it is a matte finish, and I actually really like this one too out of all of them because I feel like it would match my skin really well. And the last one, it's the deepest color. It's called Gravity, and it's a deep toned cinnamon with a matte finish. This is for the dark skinned girls, and it is such a beautiful shade. It's like a very cinnamony with like pink undertones. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so after after doing all those swatches, I think I want to try the more coral shade, which is called Twilight. This one right here. Since it's summertime finally and it just seems like such a beautiful color, I am going to apply that, and I am using my Luxie 514 brush. Alright, so I applied a little bit too much on this side, but as you can tell, it's super pigmented, but it's not way too much that it's not blendable. It completely is blendable, so you can just move it around and do as you want with it. So I love that. And it just looks so beautiful, like a little flush of color on your cheeks. It looks so pretty, and this color is gorgeous. I haven't tried this color out yet, so this is our first time doing it together, and I think it came out so pretty. I'm not used to wearing so much blush, but now I'm obsessed because I have like a whole palette that I can just play with all the time, and it came out, oh my god, I applied too much, but it still looks super cute. The only color that I'm not gonna be able to use is Pink Moon because it's just so light, but the rest of the colors I definitely see me wearing them, especially for eyeshadow, which is super weird, but I think they applied so well on my eyes, so I can just multi-purpose this, which is amazing. All right, so I wanted to use a Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick, but I don't have any that would match this look because I only have bright colors or lip glosses, so I'm definitely going to use the lip gloss on top of this color, but I thought it would be so pretty to use my Kylie Cosmetics Autumn Matte Liquid Lipstick. I forgot how beautiful this color was, so I'm so happy that I got to pick it out again because I forgot about it, honestly. So on top of this color, I am going to add my Lunar Beauty Enchantment lip gloss. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me use some of my Lunar Beauty products. If you guys are really interested in the blush palette, I definitely recommend it. It's so amazing. You get 6 different colors, and for the price, it's amazing. So definitely check it out once it goes back in stock. Hopefully you guys can get it for yourself. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I have a TikTok now. It's so fun. I mainly just post beauty videos, but when I get to know how to use the app, I'll definitely be posting more funny videos. But I'm gonna leave my social media tags up here somewhere so you guys can go follow me. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. It'll mean the world to me if you guys subscribe to my channel. I am gonna be posting once a week, but hopefully it's gonna be twice a week. That's my goal, so I cannot wait to do that for you guys and play with makeup and just have fun here in our little Zen Den. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching.